Hey everyone, how's everybody doing? This is Dale Martin, Applications Administrator, coming to you from the friendly confines of the Technology Department here in Wildcat Nation. It is definitely a great day to be a Splendora Wildcat. Today we're going to go over how to use Eduphoria, specifically the workshop application, to document professional training that you may have attended somewhere other than Splendora. If you work in a staff capacity other than teaching, workshop might be a major part of your limited interaction with Eduphoria. It's important to make sure that you know how to document training both inside and outside the district into your professional development portfolio. As always, if you have questions or comments, you can email me at dmartin@splendoraisd.org, or you can reach me at 689-4017, or you can text me on my cell number at 832-633-5173. Okay, let's get started. First thing, you're going to want to go to the Eduphoria website. Now, we can do that a couple of ways. We could go to the district website, come over here to staff, and click on Eduphoria. We could also get there from ClassLink, by clicking Eduphoria here. This is a great shortcut if you will put in your username and password, and ClassLink will save it for you. So it doesn't matter how you get there, just make sure that you get there. Now you will need your Eduphoria credentials, like I said, to log in. Your username is always your email address. If you need a password reset, there is a link that should send it to your email. If you don't receive it, check your spam folder. If you still don't receive it, then email me and I'll see what I can do to help you out. So once you gain access to Eduphoria, you'll see some options here in the center of the screen. Your menu may look a little different than mine, but that's okay. You should see workshops somewhere on that screen. Click on that. More than likely, you'll come to a page that looks like this one here. If you don't see this page, come up here and click on this workshop tab in the far upper left-hand corner. Once you click on that, you will definitely see all these icons here in the middle of the page. These are all just different ways that you can search for courses, upcoming evenings and weekends, by month, or by category. Now, there may not be courses under every single one of these categories. That's okay. The workshops being offered depend on certain district initiatives and even the time of year. Today, we're just focusing on how to add a workshop that you have already attended. So, let me bring your attention to the My Portfolio link up here in the left-hand corner. By clicking on this link, you'll bring up all the workshops you have completed and the ones that you have registered for but didn't complete. This is a great way to check and see if you have credit for all the workshops that you've attended in the past. Today we're focusing on adding a new portfolio entry way down here in the lower left-hand corner. After we click on that, a wizard will launch to help us go through the process of adding a workshop by asking just some basic questions. First, we have to determine what type of entry we want to include with our outside workshop. You're going to click Outside Workshop and then Next. Once the wizard launches, you'll be prompted to put in the title of the workshop that you visited outside of Splendora. You can include a description as well here if you like. This is where you will document the date, beginning and end, as well as the times. In the next screen, you'll be asked to put in your CPE hours. Typically, it's always 6 hours for an 8-hour day, maybe 7, depending on what your certificate says. You will always put those down here on the bottom blank where you see Texas SBEC CPEs. If you want to put a comment, you can certainly do that here. if you're a teacher, you can click on T-tests and you can tag any of these dimensions here that you think apply. Now, if you're not a classroom teacher, you're not going to have to worry about this section. Next, we have our goals page. You can expand our 5 district goals, and you can pick which goal you think is most appropriate. You can also choose more than one goal. Click Next. This is a new feature to Eduphoria Workshop, which actually allows you to upload pictures of your certificate or possibly the sign-in sheet that maybe you took with your telephone. You would just simply choose a file and load it from your computer. So you would have to have shared the image from your phone to your computer already. And you can just pick one and upload. So computer's moving a little slow today, so we're going to move right along. This is optional. You don't have to add a document or image if you don't want to, although it does give the approver more information as to whether or not they want to approve your application in Workshop. When you're all finished, just click Finish. You'll get a message that your professional development request has been submitted. You will see that your credit has been requested and is pending approval. Once the administrator goes in and clicks approval, you will see it over here in your portfolio summary. So this is how you submit a request for adding professional development experiences to your SISD workshop portfolio. Remember, you can always email me at dmartin@splendoraisd.org. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, just send me an email. If you found this information helpful and useful, please click on that like and subscribe button. If you want to be notified of future videos, just click on that bell to receive automatic notifications and you'll never miss a tech tip. Thank you for all you do for our students, our community, each other, and the entire Splendora Wildcat family. Have a great day.